Hello and welcome. I'm George Crump, lead analyst with Storage Switzerland. Today we're going to be continuing our test of the Unitrends Recovery Appliance and really continue our focus on the Vault to Cloud functionality. Today we're going to show you a couple things. We're going to show you just sort of the continued progress as well as also adding a new client or making a new client vaultable. Now normally you gotta be careful when you do this because we're going to end up sending a lot of data across the wire, so we'll have to be patient in this situation. I've also excluded a couple of things. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this client right here to be able to vault to cloud. So the way you do that is you go into configure, you select your clients, you select the host you want to change it to, and all you do is just hit sync to Vault. And from that point forward, any backup you run will go. So we've confirmed that, and you can see it's been successfully changed. So now the next backup we do will be our initial seed job of that. So we're going to go ahead and back that client up. And we're going to want to do a master or a full backup job to get all the data up there the first time. And we just drag our exclusion list in. Now, as I said, we excluded a lot more than normal just because we don't want to send everything through the internet. Over time, though, we'll start pulling stuff off and getting more and more of the data up there. So it's another way to seed. So anyways, that's all set up. We're ready to go, and we'll just go ahead and hit backup. And you can see the request is gone, and we're ready to go. While that's going, we'll go ahead and back up our, do another incremental backup on some of our other systems here. So we will back up these two machines, but these we'll just go ahead and do a differential since we've got a pretty recent backup job on. So there's those two, and we've got it set for differential, as you can see right here. And we'll go ahead and schedule the backup job there as well. So both those requests have been sent. And if we go over to our status, our job status window, you can see that those are all getting queued up and ready to go. We will tune back in every so often to check and make sure things are working. As soon as this backup job goes that we just started doing the Vault to Cloud on, we'll show you that trigger over as well. So we'll tune back in here in just a few minutes. Hello and welcome back. Just a quick update. You can see that our first backup has completed. We've got a successful on both the backup job itself and the verification of the backup. So if we go over to the vaulting function and look at the vaulting dashboards, you can see that we're already vaulting. There's our transfer rate and the different statistics that we need. So this one should vault up pretty quickly. So we'll come back here in a little bit and check that out. The other backup jobs continue to process and move along. See, we're now transferring this backup job, and this one, like I said, is going to be this one is a full backup, so this one's going to take a while, and we'll just keep tuning in throughout the day and give you updates as we go along. Okay, we're back. You can see now that our second job has completed successfully. And if we flip over to our vaulting screen, I just went ahead and opened up two windows here. You can see that we've also, once again, began vaulting that to the Unitrend cloud, and that process is going along as well. So we're in pretty good shape. These vaulting jobs will run. We'll keep running this backup job, and we'll show you that kickoff as well. But you can see you can run multiple vaulting jobs simultaneously, so that you can get all your clients done in a given period of time. So we will tune back in here in a little bit as this other job finishes up and as our various vaulting jobs finish. You can see now that we've completed one of our vaulting jobs already, and we're well on the way to completing the second job. So things are progressing nicely without much interaction on our part. You can see that our other backup job is still going along just fine, so we should have that done here in a little bit, and we'll be able to watch that start to vault. Okay, now we are moving along on our second replication job. You can see we're almost done. Might do a refresh here, and yeah, we're getting real close to being done. We're at 99% complete. It's been churning through most of the day here. So things continue to progress along very nicely, and we will try to catch this as it finishes. Okay, and we're just waiting for this to complete, and there it goes. It's all done. You can see that it goes up into the completed jobs there. So we've done 4 successful sync to the cloud today. So good stuff. And now we're just going to be waiting for a while to do this really big job to churn. Probably not normal, especially given our internet connection. But we'll tune back in a little later and show you that job complete as well. But again, very easy to set up. Data is totally off-site. In an upcoming release, we'll show you recovering some data from the cloud as well. Thank you, and have a good day.